Do you know many people are having trouble with managing unprinted documents? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access Server. Access the home screen and press the Document Server button. Step 2. Find folder. Navigate to the folder containing documents you wish to remove. Step 3. Select Documents. On the screen, select the documents you intend to delete. Step 4. Initiate deletion. Press the Delete button to initiate the deletion process. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Confirm your choice by selecting Yes to permanently erase the documents. By following these steps, you can successfully delete any documents that are no longer needed. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ricoh users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.